Let him go. No, read
Remember the Tanga tan line?
Today we're going to show you how to make a DIY exercise bike.
With just 2 jack stands.
You're gonna need these things right here. I don't know the name. You guys don't even care. So.
Bike pigs.
And these jack stands right here. Alright, put them in.
Huh?
Put them. Oh fuck.
There you go.
Put it. There you go.
Mine's in? Okay. All the way in.
There you go.
Okay, yeah.
See this right here? You just put the jack stands on these blue shits. And you just have to sit down. And that. See, it will spin like this.
Okay. Yes.
There you go. Ignore
Okay.
the Tanga tan line. Okay. So. God, fuck. Alright, hopefully I don't fall. Okay, yeah.
Alright. And now this blue shirt kid is gonna use the bike. If he falls,
Shit.
not my fault, man. He signed a waiver. God damn. And that's how you use it, guys. 2 jack stands and that blue thing, I don't know. There you go. Yeah. There you go. You're not even in the camera. That's the. Nah. That's it, motherfucker. That's it, guys. Get the fuck out of here. Subscribe. Give me money. Yes.